I heard about this Zen story when I was, in my college, I think. So this story goes like this. There was this Zen monk who lived in a monastery, and below the monastery in the village, there was a boy who was very curious about this Zen path, and he wanted to become a monk. So this boy, he was like 8 years or so. He ran up the hill and he went to the monastery, and he met this monk. And he asked, I want to become a Zen monk. If I practice, I come here every day after school. If I practice, when will I become a monk? The monk thought for a while and said, it probably will take 10 years. The boy was not happy with that. He said, okay, what if I don't go to school? I study here from morning to evening. How long will it take? The monk said, it's going to take 20 years. The boy was a bit disappointed. And then he said, okay, what if I renounce everything? I come here and I practice. The monk said, it's going to take you 30 years. The boy was not sure. Why is the time increasing? So he hesitantly asked the monk, why are you increasing the time? Even though I want to reduce the amount of time it takes to become a monk. The monk said, with one eye on the goal, you only have one eye on your path. This is true for your CFA and FRM exams as well. If you are starting your preparation, trying to think about when you would clear, which window you will sit, it's not the ideal way to go about it. Focus on the process, right? Create a schedule, see how you want to practice, how you want to study, and focus on it and enjoy the learning, and eventually you will be ready. So you will know this by taking your topic test and mock exams. You will know you are ready, and that's the ideal time to register for your exam. I see this mistake. Often students will come saying they have already registered for the exam. I need to prepare in the next 4 months, 5 months. That is not the ideal path. You should be preparing, enjoying the learning, and then when you are ready, you register for the exam. That would be my recommendation. All the very best with your FRM, CFA, or US CMA examinations.